everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of my Fabfitfun box. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. So hopefully you just came here from my other unboxing video where I unbox things from like Amazon and Sephora that have been piling up since I was away for a week. And if not, then I'll link that video up here and you can go check that out after you're done watching this video. So if you're not aware, Fabfitfun is a subscription service and they send out 4 boxes a year. So inside there's things that have to do with makeup, beauty, and fitness, and lifestyle, and things like that. But of course, you can cater the box to whatever you want, to have more lifestyle things, to have more fitness things. Of course, I say to it, you know, give me more makeup things. Because I've discovered some really nice stuff. I discovered the Ahava line through it with their hydrating cream mask and the mud mask I got from this box here. Now, I'm not like the premium member where I get to choose all my stuff and do all those perks. Like, I keep it real. Like, I have a lot of stuff and I buy a lot of makeup. So if I subscribed to that kind of stuff and paid for all of that, then that means I wouldn't be able to get as much makeup, and I would rather have that stuff because I have enough masks and cleansers and all those things. And I love supporting, you know, indie brands and everything, but I need to be aware of like the more commonplace stuff. So anyways, I subscribed to Fabfitfun for a couple of years, but I did pause, or even I think I canceled my membership for about a year just for fiscal reasons. I wasn't really using the products and everything, but I thought, no, you know what, if I'm going to do YouTube and maybe people are thinking about it, you know what, let's just go through it together and see if this is something that I want to continue doing. I did use the code JenLuvs, I believe it is. I'll link it down below. It's not my code. I'm not affiliated with it at all, but I do follow JenLuvsReviews, and if you don't watch her channel, then you need to, because she's amazing and does these really crazy in-depth reviews of all makeup and skincare, and she does reviews of this box as well and goes really into all the ingredients. We're just gonna have fun today and just kind of go through this and be like, look what I got, oh that's cool. But if you want to know what all the options were and what's good, and like not just good, but like what ingredients and was it worth it, like really in-depth stuff, then please go check out her channel because she does it all the time. But of course that kind of stuff takes time for her to do, so they're like a little delayed, but it's really worth it, especially if you want to consider subscribing to the service. So I'm using the laptop stand that I got in my other video, but it's kind of helping because you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Yes, I'm just on the floor of my bedroom. It was just so much easier than me being at my desk and holding up stuff. I feel like now you can actually see with me. And it always comes with a magazine. And in it, there's always going to be, it lists everything that's in here, and it has some really great articles and everything. So you kind of always want to hang on to that. And it's really nicely wrapped. As you can see here, it's got a little sticker. We're going to open this together. Okay, there we go. I squished you guys in a little closer so now you can see just with me, rather than me look at it and then you see it. So we'll just go this way here. The real unboxing experience. Ooh, and immediately we got some jewelry here. Amber Secrets. That's really pretty. Amber Skeets necklace is made with quality and longevity as a focus. There we go. Looks like ancient coins there. Ooh, I see something Murad. My eye just went right there. What do we have here? This is the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. Okay. I'm going to read the back while this is going on there. Fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. Wow. Oh, yeah. This, oh, sign me up. Sign me up on this. What do we got here? Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Mask. Conditions, nourishes, locks in moisture, reverses damage, dryness, and dullness. Yep, spray generously into the hair, comb through. Oh, very nice. And these are nice size. These are full-size products. So always keep that in mind. These aren't like testers here. Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. See, I think I have this from last year. I think I already have this and I never even used it from before. Yeah, I'm like 90% sure I have this. Ooh, but it smells fantastic. Oh my, that's great. Exfoliate with willow bark extract, pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract. Yeah, I'm smelling all that stuff. That's fantastic. Grace and Stylist spray all day. Yeah. I think I had this as well. And I think I just decluttered it too because I never use it. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray, yes. What do we have here? Nurturing Hand Cream. Musk, Coconut, and Shea Butter by Lavido. Okay, I'll take some hand cream. You know what? I'm going to take my ring off. I'm going to put some on right now because it is that kind of time. It's been... Oh, there's a thing on here. Let's feel this guy out. Okay, it smells almost like baby powder. Very, very lightly though. Okay, it doesn't feel greasy. What are the benefits to this? Let's see here. There is a video that JenLuvsReviews just did regarding hand cream. I gotta watch that one because I want good hand cream. Soothe, nourish, protect. Okay. Oh, I got a brush. Okay. Oh, nice. I don't have a square one. Lux Chrome Detangling Brush by Aria Beauty. There we go. Let's open this guy up. Oh wow, there we go. That's everything. That's chrome. Nice, and it's not heavy at all. I thought it would be like really. Now it's like plastic chrome. Let's run it through my hair and see what's happening here. I did just brush it. Yeah, feels fine. Okay, brush. Never gotten a brush in here before. And what did I get here? Doni, which is interesting. Sorry, my name is Donna. This is I don't know what this is. Is this a shirt? Okay. All right, that's it for the box. I'm gonna put this on and then I'm gonna turn the camera on me. So this is it here. It's just like a little kind of large cardigan kind of moment. It's really kind of thin, the fabric. I feel like, I don't know, like I'm ready to do some art or pottery when I'm wearing this. I don't know how I feel about wearing this. I mean, maybe it's warm. Maybe that's the whole thing with this. I don't know. I have sweaters that do this kind of idea. I would never have gone out and actually purchased something like this, but I guess that it comes in with it, it's okay. Yeah, I think that's all right. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing my Fabfitfun box. Let me know in the comments if you subscribe or are there any items that I got here today that you've been meaning to try. Love to hear from you guys. I really appreciate you watching this video. Please don't forget to thumbs it up and to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you ring that bell so you stay notified for my future videos. That being said, I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!